Meet CafePOS, the fast, simple, offline-ready restaurant system. Navigate your floor plan and jump into settings with ease. Localize your app by setting your business name, address, currency, and tax rates in seconds. Connect Bluetooth printers seamlessly to print professional tickets and receipts wirelessly. Select a table and guest count to keep your staff organized and service flowing. Browse categories and tap to add items. It's mobile-friendly and built for speed. Adjust quantities, add notes, and send orders to the kitchen with real-time tracking. Apply discounts, process payments, and print receipts with a single tap.